Hello everyone, this is Shane at Touched by Cotton Auto Detailing, and as you can see, we're looking at a headlight. And the owner of this Mercury Grand Marquis would like for this headlight to look like this headlight. And so that's a challenge for me today, which is always hard to try and get one headlight to look brand new like the other. Stay tuned. Let's see what I can do with it. And we're back. So the moment of truth. We got this headlight here. And let's see if we actually restored it. Well, that's pretty darn close.